Gastrointestinal System. Structure and function, gastrointestinal system. Where does digestion occur? Begins in the mouth. Ends at the anus. Types of digestion: mechanical digestion, mastication, teeth, tongue. Chemical digestion, salivary glands secrete hyaline, CHO digestion, the mouth. Mechanical, mastication. Chemical, saliva contains hyaline that begins breakdown of carbohydrates. The tongue moves food around. Saliva that is produced coats and lubricates the food for easier chewing and swallowing. Taste buds occur in different areas of tongue: bitter, sweet, salty, sour. http://www.gaza.org.au/digestive-system/mouth_throat.cfm. The teeth chew and break food down into small morsels. The gingivae, gum, support and protect the teeth. The salivary glands located in and around the mouth and throat. Saliva is secreted into the oral cavity by 3 pairs of salivary glands. Parotid salivary glands, largest salivary gland, swell during an attack of mumps. Submandibular gland, about the size of a walnut, its secretions contain both mucin and hyaline. Sublingual glands, the smallest, secrete mainly mucus and contain no hyaline. http://www.internet.org/health-information/salivary-glands.cfm. The pharynx serves as a passageway for food, swallowing, and air. When a person swallows, the back of the tongue helps close the epiglottis, which directs food away from the larynx and into the esophagus. The peritoneum, 2-layered membrane, lines the abdominal cavity. Parietal layer lines entire abdominal cavity. Visceral layer covers the outside of each abdominal organ. Mesentery, attached to posterior abdominal wall, small intestines anchored here. Greater omentum, 2 layers of peritoneum containing fat, hangs over abdominal organs. The esophagus connects the pharynx to the stomach. Carries food, liquids, and saliva from the mouth to the stomach. When food, bolus, is swallowed, it enters the upper portion of the esophagus. The walls of the esophagus have 4 layers: the mucosa, submucosa, muscular, and external serous layer. The stomach, muscular organ located in luke. Chemical and mechanical digestion continues. Semi-solid solution chyme secretes HCl, aids in protein breakdown, kills bacteria, and aids Phe absorption. Secretes intrinsic factor, vitamin B12 absorption. Secretes lipase, fat digestion. Renin, infant stomachs, milk digestion. Contains Ruggie for expansion. Cardiac sphincter, separates esophagus and stomach. Pyloric sphincter, separates stomach and duodenum, the stomach continued. Secretes lipase, fat digestion. Renin, infant stomachs, milk digestion. Contains Ruggie for expansion. Cardiac sphincter, separates esophagus and stomach. Pyloric sphincter, separates stomach and duodenum. The stomach. The small intestine, duodenum, first 10 inches. Jejunum, middle section. Ileum, terminal section. Entire section is approximately 20 feet in length and 1 inch in diameter. Absorption of nutrients, CHO, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Digestion completed. The duodenum. Bile and pancreatic juices enter here, calcium, fat, and iron digestion/absorption begin. The jejunum. Middle section. Fats, proteins, CHO absorption. The ileum, terminal end of small intestine. Vitamin B12 and bile salts absorbed here. Separated from large intestine by ileocecal valve or cecum. Digestion is completed in small intestine. Villi and microvilli, finger-like projections on inside of small intestine, increase surface area for absorption. The villi and microvilli, Nutrient absorption. Villi contain blood capillaries to absorb sugars and proteins. Lacteals, in the villi, absorb fats. The large intestine approximately 5 to 6 feet long. Separated from small intestine by ileocecal valve. Forms framework around small intestine. Absorbs water. Eliminates waste. Contains bacteria that produce vitamin K and B12. The large intestine ascending colon transverse colon descending colon. Sigmoid colon. Rectum, stores solid waste. Anus, terminal opening of GI tract. The vermiform appendix. Small blind pouch located at ileocecal valve. Contains lymphatic type tissue. May aid in infection control. The liver located in root makes bile for fat breakdown. Stores sugar in form of glycogen. Stores Fe and fat-soluble vitamins. Produces clotting factors. Detoxifies harmful substances. The gallbladder. Located beneath liver. Stores bile and releases it when fat enters duodenum. A pancreas located behind stomach in luke. Produces enzymes for digestion. Amylase, break down sugar. Trypsin, chymotrypsin, break down protein. Lipase, break down fats. Produces hormone insulin. Insulin needed for sugar to enter cells.